Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. So as y'all can see from the title, your girl is gonna be coloring her hair today. But before we get into that, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, give your girl a thumbs up, sprinkle some comments down below, and share this video with your family, friends, and your loved ones. So as you guys can see from my previous video, I basically showed you guys me cutting my hair off. So today I'm just going to show you guys how I colored it, how I got my color. I never colored my hair. I've never colored my hair myself before, so I'm curious to see how this is going to turn out. I'm so curious to see how this is going to turn out. So anyways, this is what I'm going into today. It's dark and lovely, and the color is a crimson moon. So this is what it kind of looks like. Yeah, y'all pray for me. Pray for me. So I pretty much read the instructions and everything already. This is what comes inside of the bottle. You have this. This is a cream developer. So we have that, and we have this nourishing care conditioner. We have that also in the box, and then we have this. Okay, it came with some gloves, but I'm not going to use the gloves that it came with. I'm just going to use my own gloves here. So let's get it cracking. All right, y'all, so first things first, I got my gloves on. So it said to open this up. So we got that, and it says to open this up and pour everything into the bottle. So we're gonna pour everything up in her. We're going to give it a shake. We're going to shake it. I got this hair dye thing all over the place. So as y'all can see, I still have about 2 minutes left. So I'm gonna jump in the shower, wash this out, and then I'm gonna put my, my conditioner and everything like that. I will show you guys me put it in the conditioner. So yeah, let's get into the shower. Oh, I wanted to show you guys what it's looking like. So I'm going to show you guys what it's looking like before I rinse it out. And then we're going to get to rinsing it out. Okay? Okay, y'all, this is what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like before I rinse it. Before I rinse it out, this is what we're looking like. I kind of like it, but I don't know. I want to see like the end result. So let's get into washing it out because I don't know. I don't know if I'm feeling it. Okay, y'all, so obviously this hair color did not give what I thought it was gonna give. This is what it is looking like. I thought it was gonna be like a purple, but obviously it's not. So this is what it's looking like. Yeah, not feeling it actually. I don't know, I'm gonna have to try again. I think I'm gonna have to try again. My husband lined me up, like, you know, whatever. I think I'm gonna have to try again like in a few weeks. What I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna bleach my hair and then I'm gonna put a rinse, maybe like the Adore. I'm gonna put the Adore color because this is not doing it for me, honey. No, no, no. Y'all see I had that green. The green was fire, but I'm gonna show you guys in another video how I got the green. But yeah, this is what it's looking like and your girl is not feeling it, so I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Hair color failed.